City of Charleston is investing nearly $5 million into fixing flooding in West Ashley. News 2's Danielle Hensley took a tour with the Stormwater Management Director today, a tour that you'll only see here on News 2.
Businesses shutting down, people unable to leave their homes, all because of flooding.
When we know a big rainstorm's coming, we'll go to U-Haul and rent the largest box truck they have, and we'll load our whole shop into the back of it.
Flooding so bad it's not only affecting people's homes, but their livelihood.
We've had products ruined, machinery ruined.
Anytime there is heavy rain or high tide, the Windermere community in West Ashley will experience severe flooding. The Director of Stormwater Management for the City of Charleston, Matthew Fountain, says that's because the entire area drains through one pipe, which is not large enough and leads to a body of water that is already full.
So what we've done over the course of the last year is work through this area, installing check valves, installing berms, digging out ditches, blocking the tidewater from coming in, and also improving the ability of that rainwater to get out.
The Windermere Neighborhood Drainage Improvement Project has already begun this year with surveying, and when completed in about 3 years, will repair the existing drainage pipes and reroute the water to a larger marsh.
The last time the City of Charleston comprehensively looked at the stormwater flooding issues in this neighborhood was 1984. The work that we're doing right now in South Windermere is the most substantial, serious, comprehensive work on stormwater that's been done in 36 years.
Residents and business owners in the Windermere community say they have noticed an improvement in flooding.
This news is exciting. It's wonderful. We're being heard.
So far this year, the City of Charleston has repaired 30 miles of ditch rehabilitation. In West Ashley, I'm Danielle Hensley. Count on 2.